I was out on my property yesterday and noticed this tree had fallen on my fence. All I had at the time was my little Stihl MS-170, and I was able to get that tree removed and got the fence repaired. The saw was a little bit underpowered. I wish I had my bigger 361 at the time. Stick around till the end and you'll be able to see the fence repaired. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. These little Stihl saws are sure little beasts. They'll cut through anything if you keep them sharp. Sure glad I had it out there today, or I'd be a while till I got back out to the property and got her all fixed up. As you can see here, the fence is repaired as best I could with what I had at the time, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you.